All right, this is lesson 16, cool down called, what was it called? Um, 2 months later. Suppose a runner runs 4 miles a day this month. She's increasing her daily running distance by 25% next month, and then by 25% of that the month after. Will she be running 50% more than her current daily distance 2 months from now? It is tempting to think that in 2 months she'll be running 6 miles, since 25% twice is 50%, and 50% more than her current daily distance is 4 times 1.5. But, however, you have to keep in mind that those 25% are both being calculated with different starting points. We're not taking 25% of her original amount and then 25% of her original amount. We're going to take 25% more than her original amount and then 25% of that, which is already increased. The amount that she increases by the second month is going to be more than she increases by the first month, even though they're both 25%, because the second month is calculating off of a greater starting distance. So we can see that the next month would be 25% more, 4 times 1.25, or 5 miles. The month after that, we're going to take 5 times 1.25 again, and it's going to actually be 6.25 miles. Or we can think of it as 4 times 1.25 squared. So it actually leads to an overall increase of 56.25%. So similar thing happens when we're talking about money in a bank. If an account earns 2% interest every month, it doesn't actually earn 24% a year. It's actually going to be more than that. So let's take a look at this table here. If we take a look at this table here, over the course of 12 months, we would multiply by 1.02 12 times, which comes out to be approximately 1.2682. So the account will actually grow by about 26.82% in 1 year and not 24%. The 24% is what we call the nominal interest rate. The rate that it actually comes out to be is called the effective interest rate. The nominal interest rate is just the stated or published rate. I don't know why they do that. But essentially, by calculating your interest off of each successive month, the balance and the interest that you've earned, you end up with more than if you just took 2% of the original amount for those 12 months. Let's take a look at the cool down. So a bank account that earns 1% interest each month has a balance of $1,500. Any interest is deposited into the account and no further deposits or withdrawals are made. Noah thinks that after 2 months, the balance will be $1,530 because 2% of $1,500 is 30. Do you agree with Noah? Explain your reasoning. Is adding 1% interest after 1 month and then 1% more after the next month the same as just adding 2% of the original? If you have any questions, let me know.